Hey guys, I know that it's been a while since I've made a video, but I decided to just pop in and kind of do like an install online. Now, I went to Walmart, did a little shopping, and you guys know I love buying online products. Um, I went to get a screen protector for my iPad because the one that I have on here is messed up really bad because of mistake that I made. But I ended up getting the wrong one. It's the paper feel one. And guys, I don't even have like the pen to use to draw or anything. But as this one on here is ruined, I did put it on perfectly at first, but one night my iPad got too cold. And so that morning when I tried to use it, it was kind of like unresponsive. So I thought that something was wrong. I ended up snatching off the screen protector, and in actuality, the screen protector was not the problem. So I put it back on, but when I put it back on, it was an absolute mess. So we are going to try to, we're just going to install this one on here. Screen cleaning kit. User guide. And this is the screen. This is it. Take it out. Now, see what else is in here. Okay, let's see what this says. Oh, I think these are the things that you use to help you kind of put it down. I think. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, I think you guys can see the iPad well enough. Alright, let's get the old one off. It is a mess. It's coming off nicely. Alright, so let's jump right in with this cleaning kit. Now, so it's 50% water, 50% isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. Oh my goodness, I can't stop this one. So we are gonna go on and clean it off. I probably should have turned the iPad off before starting this. If someone messages me something. Wow. So I'm cleaning it off really well. I took my case off. I got a pink case. Alright, this is it. Let's dry our girl off. And see what's gonna happen next. By the way, I'm doing this on I'm sitting at the end of my bed doing this. In case you guys are wondering what kind of bed I have the Ashley Willowton whitewash bedroom set. Has like a nice wood board at the end, and headboard is so beautiful. Okay, so it has right here, this is the back. You can see it on there, the back, and this is the front. So yeah. Alright. What are we doing here? What are we doing here? Alright. This is a little different from the other case that I put on. It's a little different. Well, let's see. Let's try to pull this thing apart. It's not doing anything. My goodness, guys, it's not doing anything. It's not coming apart, so I'm gonna have to use my nail. Oh my goodness, guys, this thing isn't doing anything at all. I mean, it's literally not doing anything. What in the world? Oh my goodness. What am I supposed to do? Okay, let's use this end down here. It looks like I can kind of use this to, oh my goodness. Guys, I cracked it. I cracked it. Oh my goodness. Is it salvageable? Let's see. Oh my goodness, guys. This thing literally cracked on camera. Which part is cracked? Oh my goodness. Well, is it salvageable? I doubt it. Well, I guess I'm going back to Walmart. Oh my goodness, guys, look how easy it was. It was just right here. Oh, guys. Oh my goodness. It was easy to open and I made a mess of it. It's cracked, I can't use it. So, what are we gonna do? We're gonna put the same, we're gonna have to put this one back on. Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna lay it on. It doesn't even matter how it goes because I literally cracked this thing. Guys, I'm such a loser. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. There you have it. Guess I'm going back to Walmart. And I probably should stop getting the cheap stuff anyway. I'll catch you guys later.